As an architect, the workflow is going to look something like this. You meet a client with a brief, you help him outline and streamline the brief properly. After that, you go and conduct some research about the building project. Then you make some presentations with your client. You give him feedbacks of your preliminary design presentation. There might be some back and forth and iterations. After that, you go ahead to develop the design. If the client likes what he sees, he approves it, and then you return back to your office, produce a set of working drawings that will be used for approval and subsequently for construction. When those drawings are handed over to the contractor, you'll be required to supervise him through the lifespan of the project, and at the end of it all, hand over the idea that you conceived to your client, who will now take charge of his building. Now, throughout this design processes, there are tools architects use to ensure that their work come out very effectively. And this is where Revit comes in. Revit architecture by Autodesk is one of encompassing tool that helps an architect practice his profession from the design inception till the, let me say for now, till the contract administration stage, maybe not up to handover, but it still can be expanded to that level. Now, what I've seen most tutorials look like is that Revit is just treated as a modeling software and people just jump into it to just model buildings. So I've decided to develop a course outline that has embedded Revit architecture into the architectural design process. So in as much as I'm going to be taking you through Revit, this is not your regular Revit course. We're going to focus on architectural practice and how we use Revit to deliver architectural solutions. And this is very vital to students of architecture, young architects, and even architects that have been using Revit to see how you can streamline your workflow in Revit to make you practice architecture like a professional. Of course, Revit can be used for all these other small things, but that's not why we're here. We're here because we are professional architects and we want to make sure that our tools are used in a very effective manner. Revit is one of the pioneers of building information modeling. There are many other softwares that work within BIM, such as ArchiCAD and maybe Chief Architect. I don't know much. I'm just invested in Revit. But Revit architecture does a good job too, and has been designed in such a way that gathering all your information within one section becomes a very easy thing to do. So we're going to go through this in the course. I'm going to try as much as I can to keep the videos short, simple, straight to the point. But I'm not going to just teach you Revit. I'm going to also go through the whole architectural design process. And while I'm doing that, we'll be using Revit to address the issues we're meeting at each stage of our design processes. My name is Odo Peter. I'll be conducting this course with some of my friends in the office here, and we'll try as much as we can to guide you professionally through the Revit course. Thank you. Welcome. Hope to see you in the next class. Ciao.